Today I'm going to be sorting out this old chair. I'll be refurbishing it and bringing it back to its former glory. As you can see, it's really faded and dull and needs a good clean up. And then I'll also be resealing it with wood finishing oil. First of all, I'm going to rub it down with wirewool. I'm using a coarse wirewool pad and just getting all the scuff marks and old varnish off. Now I'm going to be wiping it down to get all the bits of wirewool and any sawdust and old varnish off. I'm just using water and a mild detergent and wiping this down with a sponge. I'll let it fully dry overnight and ready for the next stage.
Okay, this is cleaned up quite well, but the only problem is it's got a loose seat. So I'm going to glue and then clamp the seat.
I'm just going to use a regular wood glue. I'm putting a bit of plastic sheet down to catch any excess glue that may drip off.
So I'm going to glue and clamp this. I'm just going to glue this just in there and in there.
I'm going to make sure I get the glue well into the gap. I'm using my fingers just to get it into the gap fully. I'm going to clamp this in place firmly to keep it in place while it dries. I'll leave it overnight to dry.
I'll just let that dry. That's holding that in place firmly, nicely. Okay, this has been drying overnight now. Let's see what it's like. Yeah, solid. Seems to have worked well. It's not lifting up at all now. I'll use a teak oil because the teak oil is quite dark, just to match in with the darkness of this.
I'm making sure I'm putting plenty of teak oil on. I'm pouring this directly onto the seat. This will help to get loads of it on the cloth. I'm just using a clean soft cloth to put this on. I'll probably give it about 3 coats and let it dry in between each coat. Great, that's all dry now. You can see it's left quite a shine, but it's restored the pattern. It's brought it out in places and made it pop out nicely. But actually the seat still looks a little bit dull and you can't quite see the pattern fully here. But it still makes it look quite rusticy. There's a bit of a mark here on top. I probably should have rubbed this down, but oh well, it just adds to the antique look.
Well, that didn't take too much to get it looking nice. So all I did was just give it a good old clean up, glued the top down a bit, and then re-oiled it all. So that's how you can quick and easily just upgrade a really old chair. So I think I'll sell that. Thanks for watching anyway, and remember to subscribe for some more videos.
Well, that's another job done, and something else I've upcycled. Remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos, and give this video a thumbs up.